Right, update on the situation. In a tube, drinking beer in the middle of Guatemala. On my birthday. Not too bad at all. As Nettie struggles to climb up our ridiculous stairs. Some spot to sleep for the night.
I really like it.
Oh yes, bringing in some more beer. Oh, that's a good shout actually. I'll double bed.
The actual bed. Adam, you should come for your birthday.
Sound lads. Alright, we are in Samuk Champagne and we're gonna go do this like water tubing and caving stuff today. So yeah, let's go do that. Get absolutely slapped around once again. Cheers there, small lad.
35. Yeah, they can try, my friend. I have the big, I have the more.
Solid lad. Alright, time for some natural pools. What's going on, lads? The German takes over. The two boys try to not to fall. Nice technique here from Adam. Ben will definitely fall. Water looks like it'll make you ill, and there goes any sense of life whatsoever.
Very nice.
Can't bring him anywhere, can't bring him anywhere. Right, gonna attempt to climb this ladder now. Oh, I wish my shorts were bigger. It's getting like harder and harder to see and the light is like running out really quick, but this is so cool. We're running out of light. We've got about 15 minutes into this cave. This is what we have left, little tiny nubs, and we have to turn around and go back. Vamos! Let's see how this goes. I have no candle. We've got a little bit more light now, but still not great. And we're out.
So look, if you down, no come back. No more up, but if you more up, you go more up and then on the water, jump good, you know? Okay. Go! Jump!
Oh! Do it.
I don't know.
Do it, come on. Birthday. You'll be fine. Hi everyone. Yeah!
Right lads, there's a bit of tubing.
Cheers.
It's quite enjoyable. Estoy bien, gracias. That's so funny, the boys come onto the little rings and they just try to sell you beer. No, estoy bien, gracias. Mario, después.
No, not now.
No, después. No, chubis, 20 minutos.
See, 25 minutes more.
No, después, después.
Okay, promise.
This is quite pleasant.
Oh, darling. So happy.
I'm thriving, lad, I'm thriving. Paddle, kid. You're.
You got on.
Lazy river.
You can't even see this lad to go for, he's so far away. Oh, some dude. I know. His parents don't look at this. Like, on a tube,
Zip lining.
drinking beer in a river in Guatemala.
Any
Not
man
too
would
bad.
be lucky to zip line.
Okay, this is the end of our tubing.
No.
Let's go, Manuel.
Get him.
Get him. Apparently we're jumping off that. That's pretty high. And you literally end up under a waterfall. Woo! Found out from the guide that, what was it? Violent diarrhea and vomiting?
Diarrhea and vomiting, yeah.
Yes, if you inhale that water, which I definitely have. So that should be fun.
Right, so seeing as you get to see all the good stuff that happens while I travel, I also feel obligated to show you the bad stuff as well. I have strategically placed myself near the toilets because my stomach is in ribbons at the minute. Hopefully a few Imodium and plenty of water should sort it out. But yeah, like these things happen. You feel like absolute shit. Yeah, this is me being transparent, I guess. I have, however, been very lucky. Like, I haven't really been sick. I didn't feel great in San Jose, but other than that, I can't really remember a time where I felt ill. A little bit on Utila, but that's because all the diving and drinking and just eating baleadas. So yeah, but other than that, it's been pretty good. So it is hard to complain, to be fair, but yeah, just today not feeling the best. Pretty nice view though, to be fair, so even though I am a little bit sick, can't really complain about the situation that I'm in. Yeah, hopefully this clears up and we can get going to Flores, not tomorrow, the following day. So I'll either catch you tomorrow or in Flores. So yeah, see you then. Alright, we're in Flores, northern Guatemala, and we're gonna go see Tikal today.
And I'm hungover.
Alright, we've made it to like the tourist centre in Tikal. The rest of the lads are just inside having a bit of food and that. But yeah, I haven't really recorded a whole lot over the last weekish. No, we've just kind of been chilling out, wandering around. There's not a massive amount to Flores or Lanquin, the town that we were in Smuck. So there actually wasn't a whole lot to show you. There's a pretty good crew of us now. There's like 6 of us, so it's been fun. Tomorrow, myself and Ben are going to Mexico. So this is kind of like our last day together. Pretty nice to spend it in Tikal, and I am really looking forward to this place. It's meant to be unbelievable, so let's go check it out.
was considered tree of life or the sacred tree. According with the Mayans,
Weather's gone a bit shit. Let's go climb a temple. Happy?
My bag dry.
It's a good day, lads.
I prefer this to like scorching me.
I would rather feel all over it.
big faces. I don't know if you can see. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
See what I mean? You're
This would be a lovely
awkward.
photo.
You're so awkward. Smile for the camera.
It's a bit harsh, I think.
Are you joking? He rips the shit out of me on the daily, and I'm not allowed to say he's awkward. Nessie.
Oh, media day. I believe this is the end to Tikal. Alright, good morning. Myself and Ben are about to catch a bus to Mexico. So this pretty much concludes Guatemala. What a country. I have spent so long here, 29 days I think. Yeah, arrived here the 1st of April, it's now the 29th. The thing with Guatemala is it's so big, so to get from one place to the next just takes so long. Yeah, really enjoyed my time here and really enjoyed the people that I did it with. It was so much fun, but yeah, we're all kind of going separate ways now. Myself and Ben are gonna do Mexico together, and then that will be it for this trip, I guess. Still have Mexico to do. Mexico is absolutely massive and I cannot wait for it. As of right now, this has been Guatemala, and thank you all for coming along, and I will catch you in Mexico. Cheers.